best coffee, espresso vivace. Which one today? Just look at that, how thick and creamy that shot is. That's a beauty right there, come on. Okay, so the reason why I think it's the best, my flavor palette, there's some people that like sour coffees. What's up with my hair today? There's people like sour coffees. I don't fucking like sour coffees. This one's more of like a dark, chocolatey, it's not hella sweet, but it's got like a sweetness to it. It's so good. The reason why I'm making this video is because my buddy Benji just made a video called The Best Coffee in Seattle. And I'll be fucking damned if I don't make one too, because I've been drinking this coffee for over a decade. When I first discovered this, my mind was blown because I used to be a barista at a little place called Starbucks. I guess I don't know if I could consider myself a barista from working at Starbucks, but you know, Starbucks coffee is so bad. It tastes like it's burnt. Where was I going with this? Yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys to Vivace today because I'm out of coffee beans anyway. This is their holiday theme bag, by the way. I love how festive they get, the gold bag. Anyways, I'm gonna go get some more coffee beans and just show you my favorite coffee. How you doing? Good to see you, man. How you doing?
Hanging out.
You gonna get coffee or something? Fuck yeah.
Peel off later then.
All right, well, you come with me, man.
Yeah.
How are you? Good. May I do Nico, please? Not the normal tiny one, just like a slightly bigger, and then a bag of Dolce.
Can I get a cold brew? 8 ounce or 12 ounce?
Perfect. Yeah, 8 ounce Nico, please. Yeah.
Here to go.
For here, please.
Can I get a cold brew, please? Yeah, I can offer a 12 or a 16 ounce. 12, please.
Would you be cool if I filmed the pouring part?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Don't get my face if you could.
Oh no, I won't do that unless you want it. You have a good face. Pretty. Thank you so much. Orange essence. So it's what, cinnamon, nutmeg, orange essence, and like simple?
No nutmeg.
No nutmeg.
Vanilla, vanilla and orange syrup.
Vanilla orange syrup, right on.
Cinnamon and then the zest, yeah.
So rad.
Oh, here's this.
Thank you very much. Pretty. Okay, so this is the coffee place I was talking about. Oh, this is Benji, by the way. He inspired me to make the fucking video because he just did the whole best coffee in Seattle video. This is the stuff right here. That's for you, dude, because you're always...
Are you serious?
Yeah, you live in Marysville, so I'm getting you... Yeah.
Are you sure, bro?
Yeah, I got beans at home. So this is one of my favorite drinks. It's called the Nico. And it's orange essence at the end, orange vanilla syrup, which I just learned, cinnamon, and then it's normally not this large size. So if you do come here, be mindful it's gonna be like a macchiato size, like that size. I just got this size because I kind of want a nice treat right now.
No, I'm used to getting in the small macchiato.
Yeah, I asked for this size, yeah.
Oh, got it.
You know what else I like? Probably I'll get in the summer is Nico soda. I always love that.
You know, didn't they do that at Chef Steps? They did kind of a citrus coffee drink.
Yeah.
But
Nico sodas are so good.
Nico soda, does that also have milk in it?
You can get it without the cream.
Okay, yeah.
But they do a splash of cream at the end.
It's interesting that you totally mix it up like that.
Oh yeah, to get like the foam in there. It's like a treat, you know? Yeah.
I'm telling you, I'm not into sweet coffee drinks. That might be literally the best sweet coffee drink you could ever get.
It seriously is like a treat. I mean, I just went to Costco recently and I got what I thought was a cold brew, but it was like a blended Frappuccino thing. I can only have like 2 sips of that because I can't do sweet.
I literally can't drink any other coffee. coffee roasters in Seattle. But what happens is when you make the coffee drink, if you don't care about the product,
I've only seen one place serve vivace, and it was in LA, Beverly Hills, and it's called Espresso Profeta, and they use vivace beans only.
And did you notice?
And it was like,
were their drinks as good as?
Yes, actually, they had their own version of a Nico.
Yeah.
Like, it was kind of like an homage to vivace, or maybe they knew the owners. I don't know, but yeah, they made latte art a thing though, so that's cool.